जब हम बात करते हैं बच्चों की, यू विल एग्री कि उन्हें खेलकूद सबसे ज्यादा पसंद होता है। इन फैक्ट दे लाइक टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम आउटडोर देन सिटिंग ऑन अ काउच वॉचिंग अ मूवी। बट लेट्स जस्ट एग्री, एज पेरेंट्स यू डोंट वांट टू सी योर किड गेट टायर्ड इन जस्ट फ्यू आवर्स। आई वांट देम टू एंजॉय एवरी बिट ऑफ मूवमेंट। उसके लिए चाहिए उन्हें एनर्जी, और जो आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक भी है। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम अंशुल चौहान और आज हम कुछ ऐसे फूड्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे which are 100% safe and great source of energy. Generally, the foods which are available in the market and claim themselves as energy boosters are filled with preservatives and concentrated sugars and are really not good for your kids. And today I'll be telling you few of those energy boosting foods which are totally natural. So first on the list we have banana. Bananas have simple sugar in the form of fructose, glucose and sucrose which can be easily digestible. They are rich source of carbohydrates. और अगर आपको नहीं पता तो मैं आपको बता दूं, carbohydrates are primary source of energy. बनाना में carbohydrates स्टार्च की फॉर्म में भी होता है which during digestion is broken down into glucose, जिससे बच्चों को सस्टेनेबल एनर्जी मिलती है। इनमें फाइबर भी बहुत अच्छी क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट होता है जो आपके गट हेल्थ को भी मेंटेन रखता है। Well, how would you like to feed a banana to your kid? Either sliced banana or a smoothie? Do let us know by leaving a comment. Do you know yogurt is more of a versatile and nutritious food? It is a great combination of protein and carbohydrates, and that's also packed in with calcium and probiotic. This combination of protein and carbohydrates offer a quick source of energy. Besides that, yogurt is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B and calcium, which contribute to muscle function. Next up on this list is sweet potato. If you are searching for a superfood which is a great energy booster, then you must consider sweet potato. It's a root vegetable which is rich in carbohydrates which gradually releases glucose in the bloodstream, जिससे steadily body में energy release होती रहती है. They also contains vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, which plays a vital role in energy metabolism and overall health. अगला energy boosting food है egg. Eggs are nutrient dense foods and a good source of high quality of protein. And that's not it. Eggs are rich in vitamins such as vitamin B2 and vitamin B12, which plays a vital role in converting food into energy and maintaining healthy red blood cells. Eggs has healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acid, जो सस्टेनेबल एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करते हैं और ब्रेन फंक्शनैलिटी में भी हेल्प करते हैं। नेक्स्ट ऑन द लिस्ट इज क्विनोआ, अ होल ग्रेन. Quinoa has a good amount of protein in it. It contains all essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for maintaining and repairing tissues, including muscles. It has dietary fiber in it, which prevents the energy crash. Including quinoa in a child's diet can provide them with energy-dense source of sustained energy. जब बात एनर्जी बूस्टिंग फूड्स की हो तो हम ओट्स को कैसे निगलेक्ट कर सकते हैं? They are whole grains rich in complex carbohydrates which are slowly digested, providing a gradual release of energy. Oats have beta-glucan in it, which is a soluble fiber. एक जेल लाइक सब्सटेंस है जो हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में पाया जाता है, जिसकी वजह से ग्लूकोज ब्लड स्ट्रीम में धीरे धीरे रिलीज होता है, which results in stable energy levels. Did you notice the food we mentioned are easily available in the market? अब मेरा एक ही क्वेश्चन है आप सबके लिए, what are your thoughts on these food? And let us know by mentioning in the comment below. And that brings us to the end of this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.